Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Kicking off with football, Tivoli Gardens had a 5-star performance over relegation-threatened Treasure Beach in the Jamaica Premier League at Stets on Sunday. An Ikelia Fuller double in the 3rd and 18th minutes set Tivoli on their way. Anthony Nelson in the 34th and Alton Lewis in the 45th made it 4-0 before Lennox Russell in the 65th closed out the win.
Well, the whole objective was, to get some goals today, in which the team did. And, they continue to do well as it relates to points, accumulating. This will now put us at 41 points.
Elsewhere, Portmore United could only manage a 1-1 draw with Montego Bay United at home. Montego Bay went ahead through Courtney Allen in the 40th minute. Former national player Rudolph Austin saved a point for Portmore with the equaliser in the 88th.
I didn't think we started slow. I think we didn't convert the chances that we created in the first half, which was quite a few. And when you're playing a game against a quality team such as Montego Bay and not getting your chances and not putting them away, you will be punished, and that is what happened.
Elsewhere, Mount Pleasant jumped to the top of the table with a 1-0 win over Waterhouse at the Drewsland Mini Stadium. Malines United came from behind to defeat bottom of the table Limehole Academy 2-1 at the Waterhouse Mini Stadium. And at the Wembley Centre of Excellence, Arnett Gardens got the better of Vere United by 1-0. Meanwhile, a doubleheader is on the cards in the league today. In the early kickoff, it will be on the back of their CONCACAF Champions Cup defeat. Cavalier looking to regain the top spot in the standings when they face Humble Lion. That match is set for 5 p.m. And after that, Waterhouse's loss on Sunday, that should be, Dunbeholden have a chance of getting back into a playoff spot with a favourable result over Harbourview at 7:30. Only goal difference separates Waterhouse and Dunbeholden. Some cricket now. Captain Stefani Taylor notched a century, scoring 102 as Jamaica's women were 232 for 5 off 39 overs at sports time in their CWI Regional Women's Super 50 match against Barbados women at Warner Park in St Kitts. Taylor's knock came off 99 delivers and comprised 12 fours and 1 6. Chanel Henry was 56 not out at sports time. Jamaica's women won the toss. Barbados women are defending champions. Now, Trinidad and Tobago women were 161 for 7 off 37 overs at sports time in their contest against Windward Islands, while Guyana women were 73 for 6 at sports time against the Leeward Islands. And sports marketing specialist Carol Beckford is calling on CARICOM and Caribbean governments to give up to 1% of their 2024-2025 budgets towards a sports development fund. Additional sources could come from agencies that have already worked in the region. Beckford feels a comprehensive plan with specific eligibility criteria can be developed to identify where the allocation goes and how much should go to each. The fund aims to focus on technical infrastructure, marketing and business development, and research and development. Speaking with TVJ Sports, Beckford said outlined the importance of sports, which has garnered recognition for the region, and
the fact that sports and entertainment are two things that this region is known for. And those committees have gone. They've disappeared.
Beckford also thinks that where there is a shortfall of allocation, the funds can help to improve that particular area.
A tiered set of criteria. There are some countries that are better physically. So using the 4 key areas of technical infrastructure, marketing and business development, and research and development, you can develop a criteria which will give you weighting. And the country that has the lowest, clearly, in terms of the numbers, will get the best resources where they're most needed.
In terms of major sporting events in the region, the ICC Men's World Cup will be played in the Caribbean and the USA this year, while the next FIFA Men's World Cup will be played in the CONCACAF region in 2026. And that's it for your midday sports. Shane?
Thanks, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.